Hello everyone. In this how to fix series, I'm going to discuss another error which is module not found. And you must have seen this error when you are going through my videos because at the time when I created this video, this was one of the valid class. But now GPT index has renamed it, or I would say this class has been renamed, and there are some breaking changes due to which it is not working. So how can we fix this module not found error? What is the replacement of it? So let's quickly have a look. So this is the exact error. So let's say if you are importing like from GPT index, you're importing anything, it will tell you that module not found. And the simplest way to fix this is instead of GPT underscore index, you need to use LLMA underscore index because this is the new name for GPT index. If you are doing this, definitely you will fix this issue. As you can see here, earlier it was showing this error, but in my next execution, I got the tick mark, which means this issue will get fixed if you are renaming your GPT index with LLMA index. I hope this trick was useful, and do let me know in comments if you are facing any other kind of errors related to my previous videos, and I will make sure to post another solution for those. Thanks for watching.